She was a giving person, but she was a warrior too.
And she knew she was best able to make the changes and impact as an attorney.
She is Gertrude Rush, the first African-American woman licensed to practice law in Iowa, a feat made in 1918 here in Des Moines.
There was racial unrest here in the city and in Iowa during that time.
But Rush persevered, and attorney Dr. Vicki Longhill says people here in Iowa are all the better for it.
But she not only was an attorney, she was a civil rights activist, and she assists women with women issues.
And for many female attorneys, Rush became a source of hope.
I was inspired, yes, by Gertrude Rush. When I learned, I said, she did it. In 1918, I can too.
But Rush's story doesn't end in 1918. In 1925, Rush, along with other African-American attorneys, formed the National Bar Association right here in Des Moines.
It was founded because the African-American attorneys were denied admission to the American Bar Association.
An association of predominantly African-American judges, lawyers, and law professors and students that nearly a century later continues to exist, empowering thousands nationwide in the law field. And it all started in Des Moines, which is why this monument stands tall downtown, 2 African drums, intentionally off balance.
And that represents the legal system. That is, it is never balanced.
Rush's name etched in stone at the base for being one of the few leading the charge and paving the way for those to come. Like the Honorable Judge Ramonda Belcher, who in 2010 became the first female African-American judge in Iowa.
Gertrude Rush laid the groundwork for me and so many other people.
If you ask Judge Belcher to name one of Rush's best attributes, it's her faith.
She always talked about was treating people the way you want to be treated. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
It's the golden rule, and Judge Belcher says it's something she makes sure is felt in her courtroom.
Even when people find themselves before the court, perhaps at the most lowest position or place in their life, I want them to feel like they've had an opportunity to be heard, that they were treated fairly.
Judge Belcher is one of over a dozen recipients of the Gertrude Rush Award, an annual award presented by the Iowa National Bar Association and Iowa Organization of Women Attorneys. And just like the other recipients, Gertrude Rush's legacy is something she doesn't take lightly.
So I am just so thankful and humbled to be able to walk in her footprints, in the doors and opportunities that she opened for me and so many others who will come behind me.
Kayla James, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.